We're doing something really special today.
That was the coolest thing ever. We're in our wetsuits and ready to go. I'm excited to see what it looks like.
Just trying to stay warm. It's all good.
We've come back to the lookout we were at earlier, as we've heard that it drastically changes.
I don't really know how you get to it. I guess you've got to swim or walk. Good morning and welcome to our 100th episode. How exciting! We're doing something really special today and we are heading on a cruise to the Whitsundays. Yeah! Let's go! We've made it onto the boat. There's a few people that are running a little bit late, so we're just waiting on them, and it looks awesome. First time ever on a sailing boat, I think.
Wow, we just saw some whales. That was the coolest thing ever. I think it was a mum and baby. That was so cool.
Just making a sandwich, I am. I've chucked it all in because it's going to blow away up there. So.
We're in our wetsuits and ready to go.
Let's do this. We've already seen a turtle from the boat, so high hopes for this. We are obviously back on the boat. We just did our first snorkeling little expedition thing, and wow, the coral was amazing. It's actually the first one that we've seen that isn't like bleached, so it's really colourful, it was alive, there were so many fish everywhere, and it was really, really nice. It was absolutely freezing in the water though, and we were actually in there for an hour, but oh my god, after like 10 minutes I couldn't feel my hands, and luckily we had wetsuits. They were provided by the tour, so that was really good, and yeah, now I'm just trying to warm up. It was freezing. Such an amazing experience though. Wicked. best day ever. We're doing what we do best, which is have a drink. And just a minute ago we had some snacks. We saw the most amazing whale interaction we've had. And we're cruising to our resting stop for the night, which is, I don't know where. The plan is to be on Whitehaven Beach really early in the morning to beat all of the day trippers. So I assume somewhere around there. And we still need to have dinner and a few more drinks, I reckon. It's been a very good day so far.
Good morning. Yesterday was absolutely amazing. We had a really good day. In the evening we had a few drinks and we just literally sat up talking to everyone on the boat, which was really nice. And we went outside, saw the sunset, which was absolutely gorgeous. It's pretty cold this morning. But today we are going to Whitehaven Beach, and apparently it's one in 3 beaches that has mineral sand that's silica, and they're all in Australia anyway. Yeah, he said when you get there, exfoliate your skin with it. I'm excited to see what it looks like.
Trying to stay warm. So good. So we aren't actually on Whitehaven Beach yet, we're on Betty's Beach. Whitehaven is that one just over there. I don't really know how you get to it. I guess you've got to swim or walk. It looks quite far. The silica sand is super soft, super white, and it's like walking on flour. It's just, yeah, I don't know.
earlier, as we've heard that it drastically changes the way it looks because of the tides. So there is more water now as the tide's getting higher, so we're just going to have a look.
So my favourite time of day of food.
We're currently just going back to the mainland, but it is going to take about 5 hours. And they did say if there's some whales, we can stop and watch them for a while. So we're praying to see some whales or some dolphins.
What this does is just settles the boat down. So
We've had such an awesome trip. Amazing, like just unbelievable scenes. We've seen whales, dolphins, really awesome coral. It was just the best. Last night, obviously, we had some drinks and we met some really nice people. Now we've booked a room in a hostel, private room, so we can have a shower and just charge everything and relax, ready to go back on the road tomorrow. We are actually going to go out for dinner with some of the people we met on the boat tonight, so I will say good night.